Hello all creative designer. Welcome back to Design Coach. So today we are going to learn wireframe layout designing part 2. Start. Let's start with the designing. In this part we are creating the second one section. So let's start with the we are increasing the height of this page by okay. Now in the second section we imagine that one the divider line, after that one image and left image and right content, and the three feature section. So let's start with it. I just creating one line as a divider, creating click line. Okay, in between I just give the space 72. Okay, and I just use the base color. Okay, now just we need to be create one image. I just copy this and use the 16 column, and actually I used 5 column, and just drag the height equal 536. Okay, I just go here and 536. Okay, now on the right hand side we have just title, description, and again we have a button. Before this we pointed something small text on the title, so I just duplicate this title and give the one column offset, and here we can just put the heading title. Of section, and always as we use the small heading title based on home page, lower than heading of h1, and again I use the same text again here and pull it little bit. Okay, this section is a 5 column and there is a 2. Okay, and I use the same button as we created in the auto layout and just duplicate it here, so we can understand the section, how it's a wireframe and how it's work in design. On the top we have a small text, so I just put down here, and if something goes wrong, delete. Again I just go click small, sorry, we can call it subheading, small heading. Okay, like this. This is the section. The auto layout, I just convert this board into auto layout and select, also converting this into auto layout and removing the default space from it. Okay, so removing from the default space from here, and I am selecting this all and convert into auto layout. So each one have a 28 pixel space, I need 24. Okay, so we have balanced the spacing between this and this. We need only 16 pixel, but between button and the sub heading we need 32 pixel spacing. Okay, so this looks good spacing in our wireframe. Okay, so in this part we design a second section of this wireframe, and I will just put center of the section. Okay, so this is our second sections, and in this section we have also 3 features. Okay, I just go here and designing one icons headings, selecting this and converting into 104. Here is the one icon section, it's too big I think. Still I am using the 8 pixel calculated, so just 64. Okay, we just lock these features and pixel rules 72 64. Okay, now I just use this same heading for our purpose and drop the font size 24 pixel. Feature title. In this auto layer we cannot look. Okay, and again I use the same and convert it into feature section text. I just select 4 column for each. Okay, I just the left align it and convert this into auto layout, and selecting this both in between I need space 16 pixel or maybe 8 pixel. Here is the paragraph default says we remove it. Text we have a fill container. Okay, both we select and convert into auto layout. Now we have a central element, we need align top left. Okay, in between I need 24 pixel space. So here is the feature section and I need 3 section of it, so I just duplicate of it. Okay, we just take a 5 column, I just delete this and convert into 4 column and selecting this and give the fill container. Okay, now I want to be repeated. Okay, this done. The about section wireframe we have also done from the basic wireframe to Figma wireframe. So in this part we covered the feature section in the main, and after that we just add the divider in this section. Okay, thanks to watch my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.